Learning English is a great goal, and having a clear plan will help you succeed. In 2025, you can make big improvements in your English skills if you follow a step-by-step plan. This guide will show you an easy way to create and follow your English learning plan. Let's begin. Step 1. Set your goals. The first step in your 2025 English learning plan is to decide what you want to achieve. Goals give you direction and keep you motivated. Here are some examples of goals. Improve speaking skills. Speak English fluently and confidently. Learn new vocabulary. Add 1,000 new words to your vocabulary. Improve writing skills. Write emails, essays, or stories in English. Pass an exam. Prepare for tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or any school exam. Understand movies and books. Watch English movies or read books without difficulty. Write down your goals. Be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want to improve," write, "I want to have a 10-minute conversation in English by June." Step 2. Make a schedule. Time is important for learning. Decide how much time you can spend learning English every day or week. Here is a sample schedule. Monday to Friday. 30 minutes. Practice speaking or listening. 20 minutes. Learn new vocabulary. 20 minutes grammar exercises. Saturday. 1 hour. Watch an English movie or show with subtitles. 30 minutes. Write a short paragraph about your week. Sunday. 1 hour. Revise what you learned during the week. 30 minutes. Practice speaking with a friend or tutor. Adjust the schedule to fit your routine. Consistency is more important than spending long hours in one day. Step 3. Focus on 4 skills. English has 4 main skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Work on all of them to improve quickly. 1. Speaking. Practice speaking English every day. Talk to yourself about your day in English. Join a speaking group or language exchange program. Use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to find language partners. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. 2. Listening. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or audiobooks. Watch movies, shows, or YouTube videos in English. Focus on understanding the main ideas first, then details. Repeat what you hear to practice pronunciation and intonation. 3. Reading. Start with easy books or stories. Read English newspapers, blogs, or articles online. Learn new words from what you read and write them down. Practice reading out loud to improve fluency. 4. Writing. Keep a daily journal in English. Write emails, messages, or short stories. Learn to write sentences correctly by practicing grammar. Get feedback on your writing from a teacher or friend. Step 4. Build your vocabulary. Learning new words will make your English stronger. Here's how to learn vocabulary easily. Use flashcards, write words on cards, and review them daily. Learn 5-10 words daily. Focus on common or useful words. Group words. Learn words by topic, such as food, travel, or work. Use the words. Practice using new words in sentences. Review regularly. Go back to old words to make sure you remember them. Step 5. Practice grammar. Grammar helps you make correct sentences. Don't try to learn all the rules at once. Focus on the basics first, such as present, past, and future tenses, common sentence structures, e.g., subject plus verb plus object, articles a and the, prepositions in, on, at, questions and negatives. Practice grammar with online exercises or books. Make sure you write sentences using the rules you learn. Step 6. Use online resources. The internet has many tools to help you learn English. Here are some useful resources. Dictionaries. Use apps like Cambridge Dictionary or Merriam-Webster. Grammar websites. Try websites like Grammarly or BBC Learning English. Apps. Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise are great for learning. Videos. Watch English lessons on YouTube channels like English with Altaf. Podcasts. Listen to English podcasts like The English We Speak or All Ears English. Step 7. Join a class or group. Learning with others can be fun and motivating. Here are some options. Enroll in an English course at a local institute. Join an online class or group. Participate in conversation clubs. Attend workshops or events in English. Step 8. Track your progress. It's important to see how much you are improving. Here's how to track your progress. Keep a notebook of what you learn each day. Test yourself regularly on vocabulary and grammar. Record yourself speaking every month and compare your recordings. Celebrate your achievements, even small ones. Step 9. Stay motivated. Learning a language takes time, so staying motivated is key. Here's how to stay on track. Remind yourself of your goals. Reward yourself when you reach a milestone. Find a learning buddy to keep each other accountable. Enjoy the process. Make learning fun by playing English games or singing songs. Example plan for January 2025. Week 1. Learn 5 new words every day. Practice present tense grammar. Watch a 10-minute English video. Week 2. Learn vocabulary about food and cooking. Practice past tense grammar. Write a short story about your favorite meal. Week 3. Learn vocabulary about travel. Practice future tense grammar. Have a 5-minute conversation with a friend in English. Week 4. Revise all vocabulary from weeks 1-3. Practice making questions in English. Watch an English movie and write a summary. Final tips. Be patient. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask questions or make mistakes. Practice daily. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Enjoy the process. Have fun while learning. It makes everything easier. With this plan, 2025 can be the year you achieve your English learning goals. Stay focused, work hard, and enjoy your progress. You can do it.